Hi everyone, this is Vlad from iPhoneTricks.org, and here is the latest update regarding the Widgetsmith gray screen bug. Apparently an app update has just been issued in App Store for Widgetsmith. So I'll open App Store and you see that we're informed about the gray screen fix. You have the details over here, so I'll tap update. I'll open the app and let's try to edit a widget to find out the new widget. They said it's in the custom area. Okay, custom area, so let's see. These 4 new widgets: photo date, photo day, photo day and date, and photo fuzzy time. Let's get photo fuzzy time. All of them can your favorite picture inside. Let's go to select photos, choose photo, albums. I'll go to albums and grab this one, photos for Widgetsmith, and let me grab this one, go back, hit save. Let's see, let me add a new Widgetsmith widget. Here's Widgetsmith, this one, here we have it, 12:30. Okay, let's also check the other ones. So I'll go photo day and date, back, save, always save before you change, next, exit, and you see now I have photo day and date. And one more check, because until this update we had for the activity no data bug. So let me just quickly change edit widget, reminders, activity. Still here, this bug is still here. If I'm opening Widgetsmith and I go to settings, manage permission, health is still here with status requested. It doesn't show granted. Go and manage, apps, Widgetsmith, and you see, let's turn them off, turn them back on. No data found. Okay, let me just force close Widgetsmith and load it back up. Settings, manage permissions, edit again, edit widget, activity. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so I think we have to wait for one more software update until the no data bug is fixed. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit iPhoneTricks.org daily for tips and tricks related to your favorite Apple products. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.